Let's start with first tutorial of Accu-Travel. First we are going to learn how to add accounts and how the chart of accounts works. There are some general rules of accounts which you need to learn before start. One software will generate all account codes automatically, so you don't need to remember account codes, but you need to have an understanding of account codes for usage of software. 2. You cannot delete any account code, it is prohibited. Before generating any account code, please check if you really need it. We used 4 levels of accounts in this software that you will know by time while using software. All the accounts start from 1 are asset accounts like cash, bank, assets, and clients. Accounts that starts with 2 are liability accounts like loans, capital, and payables. Accounts that starts with 3 are expenses, and that starts with 4 are revenue accounts. You must have this basic understanding before. This is a basic concept of how an account is generated. You can see 4 levels of accounts in this. This is a basic concept that you need just to know for understanding. Let's see how an account is generated and how it works. Go to Accounts Windows as shown in the videos first, then you can see that there is already a chart of accounts generated for you that is suitable for a travel agency. There is a difference between opening a party account and other accounts. In party accounts you enter details of the parties which are optional, and in other accounts you just need to create account head. As you can see, we are now opening a cash account and a bank account. Let's create a petty cash account. You can see I am going in details and checking this cash option because I am going to use this account as my cash account. For bank account you don't need to do this, and let's create a bank account. Now we are going to open a party account. And in party account you can see there are details where you can add their contact details which will be printed in invoices and ledgers. Secondly, you can enter pending invoice of parties which are receivable. When you finish entering details you can add opening balance of a client. If you enter opening debit balance it means you have a receivable amount, and if you enter opening credit then it means you have a payable amount against that customer. You can also add multiple currencies allowed by your administrator for those clients or vendors that are out of this country. So basically you can maintain their account in their respective currency. Well, that's it for now. See you in another video. For any kind of further information, please feel free to contact us anytime.